Hello friends, welcome to this video. This is VFD panel for 3-phase twin pump pressure booster system. In this video, I will explain features and function of this panel and I will guide you for its installation. So let's start. So this is the inside of the panel. This is a 7-inch display and selector switch provided. Inside you can check 4 transformer given for the supply. This is motherboard which control the entire system. Fan is provided to reduce the humidity and dust in the panel. It provides cooling for the VFD. Here individual VFD provided for each pump, so system runs very smoothly, and 4 contactor provided, 2 provided for to operate the VFD and 2 provided for the bypass system. This is mains power supply MCB for the system, and here you can check connection and terminal. So first one is input supply R, Y, B and neutral. Here you have to connect R phase, Y phase, B phase and neutral. Neutral is compulsory for this panel. This is pump 1 connection, this is pump 2 connection output. And in signal connection you can connect float switch for sump tank. Here we have connected one float switch for sump tank. This you have to connect over here, this one, and one pressure transmitter you can connect, 0 to 10 bar or 0 to 16 bar pressure transmitter you can connect. That connection you have to give in plus 24 and signal. So here you can check 5 number and 7 number. You have to connect pressure transmitter. And last 2 point is for pressure switch for bypass system. Here we have connected one pressure switch that will work for bypass. In pressure switch you have to give connection in 1 number and 2 number. This is equivalent in Danfoss also. This is Lifomec pressure switch. So this is how the inside material is. Now I will explain the display. So this is 7-inch touchscreen display. First is the ideal condition to start the pump. So I will guide you which is the ideal condition to start the pump. Water should be yes. This is no water, so pump is not running. Both pump is off. So we have connected float switch. When we keep the float switch upper side, water is yes, system is healthy, and now pump is on. Okay, now we keep this float down and you can see here no water and it will show please fold reset. So you have to reset the fold. When you connect a pressure transmitter, here some count should be visible. This 126 is count, not actual pressure. Actual pressure is this one. This shows the actual pressure in pipeline. This is both pump status. Here you can see current of each pump. This is voltage. This system is in auto mode. When you keep manual, this green sign will come to below. If any timer is running, it will show over here. This is RTC timer, real time clock. So time and date both it will show. This is fault area. If any fault arise, it will visualize over here. To go inside menu, you have to press this setting symbol. 6786 is the password. Press OK. Here you can set pump 1 overcurrent, pump 1 undercurrent, pump 2 overcurrent, pump 2 undercurrent. Undercurrent must be 0 for VFD system. Here you can set over voltage and under voltage. This is off time. When your pressure will be reached, if you set 2.5 bar pressure, and once the 2.5 bar reach, it will run the system for 60 seconds and then shut off. This is low point, means starting pressure. This is cutting pressure, this is cut off pressure. Okay, now you can press the system in manual mode. So this green sign will come here. If you press in auto mode, green sign will come to the auto mode. When you connect pressure transmitter, you can select it is a 10 bar or 16 bar, just like this. Okay, so this is the basic setting what you have to set in at the time of installation. Again, I would like to guide you for the ideal condition to run the system. See, this is no water, so pump will not run. This is SPF. SPF means single phasing prevention. Right now I have cut down one phase, so voltage is 265 and error is SPF, so it will not run the system. Once I reconnect the phase, now I have connected, so 480 volt is coming, so this is okay. Water is not okay. Count is coming means transmitter is also working. This 1 and 2 is a sequence, so when the system will get okay, first this pump will run and then second this pump will run. Okay, in manual, if the system is in manual mode, you can on off the pump through this touch. Right now system is auto. Okay, so these are the ideal conditions to run the pump. In case of emergency, like display is failed, either motherboard is failed, either VFD is failed, you can run this system in bypass mode. So for that you have connected the pressure switch. When you press this system in bypass, the contactor will on, you can see here. Okay, and that you can control through this selector switch. Individual pump you can on off through this selector switch. You can see now. Okay, so this can be operated through this. Okay, got it. Now third setting is pump bypass. You can enter password 123. If any one pump you not want to run, so that you can bypass. So this symbol will be red and pump 2 is bypass. Now pump 2 will never on. So water level you can set to working or bypass. Master input you can set working, bypass. Voltage fault you can set for working and bypass. So this is how any function or pump you can set to working and bypass. Green means working. Okay, now third setting is real-time clock setting. So password is 789. Enter. Here you can set 5 on-off cycles for daytime. 24-hour is the setting. So here you have to select how many cycles you required. Like in morning you required 1 hour to be operate, and evening you required to 1 hour operate. So total number of cycle will be 2. Okay, and here you can set time. This is first cycle time, this is second cycle time in 24-hour method. Okay, so this is RTC timer setting. By default you have to keep 0 if you don't want to run this timer. Press exit. So this is how the entire system works. You can connect to pump and maintain constant pressure in pipeline. Thank you for watching this video.